Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5 says, keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have, because God has said, never will I leave you and never will I forsake you. Maging kontento daw tayo. In fact, ito po yung verse na to, for me, it was life changer to. When I read this verse, nagkaroon po ako ng bagong definition of yung pagiging mayaman. Ito pala ang definition ng Biblia ng pagiging mayaman. At sabi dito, sa 1 Timothy 6, chapter 6, verse 6 to 7, yet true godliness with contentment is itself great wealth. Wala naman siya sinasabi dyan, pag mayroon kang 100 million or 90 million, you have great wealth. But it says, number 1, true godliness, and number 2, contentment is what? Great wealth. Based on that definition, how many of you have great wealth? Okay. Bakit? Hindi kayo godly o hindi kayo kontento? We're supposed to, as followers of Jesus Christ, that's why we're here. That's why we're part of a small group, diba? To learn godliness, diba? To be sanctified. And then with godliness, we learn how to be content. Hindi tayo tumutulad sa mundo. And with that, we will have great wealth.